Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access and a backup ready. Start now. First, export the firewall config or take a snapshot so you can roll back instantly if needed. Next, list critical services and lock down everything except required ports like 22, 80, 443 and any app-specific ports. Once done, enable a short maintenance window and notify users. This reduces pressure and prevents surprise disruptions. Make sure to document the initial rule set before making changes. Now implement the core rules. Create a default deny rule so nothing is implicitly allowed, then add explicit allow rules for the services you identified. Use stateful inspection to keep legitimate sessions intact and restrict ICMP to essentials to avoid ping-based attacks. Apply rate limits and sensible connection timeouts to prevent floods and add geoblocks only where they reduce risk. While you work, test each rule on a single host so you can validate behavior without widespread impact. Finish by running targeted tests, validate services, run a port scan, and exercise the application end-to-end. Monitor logs and alerts for anomalies, export a timestamped config, and keep a rollback script handy. If something breaks, revert the snapshot immediately, then review the most recent rule changes to find the culprit. Once identified, reapply fixes selectively and retest. Make sure to communicate status to stakeholders and schedule a follow-up review to harden the rule set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.